All right, update on the DXY. The weekly chart is going to close today, right? We're seriously in jeopardy of putting in a higher high here. We are so far holding resistance just under making a new higher high. We will see if we close there today. So this one closed 104.23. Remember. So we'll see how it ends up closing in 9.5 hours as of now. It'd be important to watch this. We could still kind of break out of this, this downtrend channel and still kind of be in a downtrend, right? So just as long as we put in a lower high. If we close anywhere above that, right, there's certainly signs on the horizon that we could be bouncing. This will be relatively significant here. We have kind of our final ditch effort to block us down, even if we do make a kind of maybe a double top kind of area here. If we reject at the median Gaussian channel, which we did right back here, right? See, back in May, we tagged right off of that and then hit back down. So maybe our last, fingers crossed, hopefully. Otherwise, I mean, we're looking at 6 strong green weeks to the upside. We just take off the channel here. There we go. So let's remove everything. And you can see nice uptrend, which, it's why we made the back from the dead DXY. Tweezer bottom off the 200 week is no joke, right? So that is the result of that. Not much else, right? Tweezer bottom off of major support or resistance. Tweezer top off of major resistance is, a super high conviction rate of going the opposite way, right? That's what we're getting here. So we hope this rocket simmers down relatively soon here. You can see the upper Bollinger Band peeling up, the lower Bollinger Band starting to peel down, so we want to watch out here. Hopefully we get a break. Hopefully we come back under the 21 EMA, and we'll see how this candle closes, but this is probably the most important chart to be watching, at least through close today. DXY.